Good morning. Welcome to the Hive co-working space.
Hi, I am looking for a quiet place to work.
You have definitely come to the right location today.
My home internet decided to stop working this morning.
That is a very common reason for visiting us.
Do you have any open desks available for today?
We have several hot desks in our main open area.
What is the daily rate for using this space?
Our daily pass costs $25 for the full day.
Does that price include access to the high-speed internet?
Yes, it includes unlimited, ultra-fast fiber optic Wi-Fi connection.
That sounds perfect for my heavy graphic design files.
We also have a very comfortable lounge for relaxing.
I see many people working on very large monitors.
You can rent an external monitor for $5.
I will definitely need one for my detailed editing.
I will show you how to connect your laptop.
Thank you. You're being very helpful and kind.
My name is Maya, and I manage this facility.
It is nice to meet you. I am Leo.
Please follow me to see our main workspace area.
The natural light in this building is quite amazing.
We designed the space to boost focus and creativity.
I love the plants sitting on every wooden desk.
Greenery helps our members stay calm during busy hours.
Are there many people working here on Monday mornings?
Monday is usually our busiest day of the week.
I can see everyone looks very focused and productive.
We maintain a very professional atmosphere for everyone here.
This is exactly what I need for my project.
This section on the left is our silent zone.
Does that mean no phone calls are allowed here?
Exactly. It is reserved for deep and focused work.
I will spend most of my afternoon in there.
On the right, we have the collaborative social zone.
Can I talk to clients and colleagues in there?
Yes, you can talk at a normal speaking volume.
The furniture looks very ergonomic and very high quality.
We use special chairs to support your back all day.
My old kitchen chair is giving me back pain.
You will feel much better after working here today.
Where can I find the printers and the scanners?
They are located in the small room behind the reception.
Is there a limit on how many pages I print?
The first 20 pages are free for every daily pass.
That should be enough for my design drafts today.
We also have lockers for your heavy personal items.
Can I leave my bag here during my lunch?
Yes, the lockers are safe and have digital locks.
The security of this space seems very well planned.
We have cameras and a key card system for members.
I feel very safe bringing my expensive gear here.
Let me show you the kitchen and coffee station.
I was hoping you would mention the coffee soon.
We have a professional espresso machine for our members.
Is the coffee included in the daily pass price?
Unlimited organic coffee and herbal tea are totally free.
You have just made my entire day much better.
We believe that caffeine is essential for good design.
I could not agree with you more on that.
We have a few simple rules for our community.
I want to make sure I respect the space.
Please use headphones for all your video calls here.
I always keep my noise to a minimal level.
If you need to shout, please use a booth.
Do I need to book the phone booths earlier?
No, the small booths are free on a first-come, first-served basis.
What about eating lunch at my dedicated work desk?
We ask members to eat in the kitchen area.
That makes sense to keep the desks very clean.
It also prevents food smells from distracting other workers.
I will bring my sandwich to the kitchen later.
We have a microwave and a large shared fridge.
Can I store my cold drinks in that fridge?
Yes. Please just put your name on your items.
I will use a marker to label my bottle.
We provide labels and pens in the top drawer.
You have thought about every small detail, Maya.
A happy coworker is a very efficient and productive one.
Is there a place to take a quick nap?
We have 2 bean bags in the relaxation corner.
Sometimes a 10-minute break helps a lot with ideas.
Just try not to snore too loudly in there.
I promise to keep my napping very quiet indeed.
Do you have any questions about our guest policy?
Can a friend visit me for a quick meeting?
Guests can stay for 1 hour in the lounge.
That is perfect for a quick project update talk.
Any longer stay requires a separate pass for them.
I understand and will follow the community guidelines.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.
Do you have any presentations to give today, Leo?
I have a Zoom call with a client later.
You might want to book a private meeting room.
How many people can fit in the smallest room?
Our smallest room is perfect for up to 4.
Does it have a screen for sharing my designs?
Every room has a large 40-inch 4K television screen.
Can I connect my laptop using a standard cable?
We provide HDMI, USB-C, and wireless casting options.
That covers all my technical needs for the meeting.
The price for the small room is $15.
Is that price per hour or for the day?
That is the hourly rate for the private space.
I would like to book it for 2 o'clock.
Let me check the tablet for the current availability.
I hope the time slot is still open for me.
Lucky you, the Sky Room is free at that time.
Please put my name down for that specific hour.
I have reserved it for you in our system.
Will the Wi-Fi signal be strong inside that room?
Every room has its own dedicated signal booster inside.
You really do care about the technical details here.
We know that a dropped call can lose business.
I have lost work because of bad internet before.
That will never happen while you are working here.
I'm starting to feel much more confident already.
Here is the digital key for the Sky Room.
Do I just tap my phone on the lock?
Yes, the app will unlock the door for you.
This place is like a futuristic office for me.
We also host community events every Friday evening.
What kind of events do you usually have here?
We have Pizza Fridays for all our active members.
That sounds like a great way to meet people.
Many of our members collaborate on very big projects.
I am looking for a web developer for help.
I can introduce you to Ben. He sits over there.
That would be amazing for my current design project.
We have designers, writers, and developers in this community.
It is much better than working alone at home.
Working from home can be very lonely sometimes, right?
Yes, I miss having a short chat over coffee.
You will find plenty of people to talk to.
Is there a community board for posting job ads?
We have a digital board in the main kitchen.
I will check it when I get my coffee.
You can also post your own portfolio link there.
I would love to show my work to others.
Our members love to support new and talented people.
I am really glad I walked into this place.
We are glad to have you as a guest.
Is there a discount for a monthly membership plan?
A monthly pass saves you over $100.
I will see how today goes before I decide.
Take your time to experience the vibe of space.
So far, the vibe feels very positive and professional.
That is the result of a very great community.
I am ready to set up my computer now.
I will leave you to get your work started.
Thanks again for the great tour and help.
Here is your welcome pack with the Wi-Fi code.
Thank you. I will find a desk near a window.
That is a great spot for good natural light.
I will start with a very large black coffee.
The machine is ready and the beans are fresh.
I can already hear the sound of the grinder.
It is the most popular sound in the hive.
I will put my headphones on and start designing.
Have a very productive day here with us, Leo.
I feel like I'm going to finish everything.
If you need anything, I'm at the desk.
I will remember that if I have any trouble.
Enjoy your time and meet some of your neighbors.
I will try to be social during the break.
Good luck with your client meeting at 2.
I am sure the Sky Room will be great.
I will check the connection before your call starts.
That is very kind of you to offer, Maya.
We want your presentation to be a huge success.
I think my client will be very impressed today.
This space makes everyone look very professional and smart.
My laptop is finally opening my design software now.
The Wi-Fi should be working at full speed here.
It connected in less than 1 second. Truly amazing.
I will go and welcome some other new members.
See you later, and thanks for the warm welcome.
You are very welcome to the Hive, friend Leo.
Time to create something beautiful and very unique today.
I look forward to seeing your finished design later.
I will show it to you before I leave.